Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout travels to the Castle of Manners in Vocab Land. The castle feels quiet, calm, and full of careful behavior. A new word fits this situation: impudent. Impudent means acting boldly, rude, or disrespectful. Along the way, rude actions begin to stand out clearly. Mocking behavior and poor manners feel out of place here. Staying calm becomes more important than reacting. Good manners show strength instead of rudeness. Respectful choices help the situation improve. Timo remembers that rude behavior is called impudent, and kindness always works better.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.